In this video, let us discuss a question on graphs. The bar chart shows number of seats won by 4 political parties in a state legislative assembly. Which of the following pie charts correctly depicts this information? Let us consider two solutions for this question. First is the normal solution. We are given a bar chart showing the number of seats won by 4 political parties in a state legislative assembly. Total number of seats equals 50 plus 35 plus 20 plus 35, which equals 140. Here, note that 50 seats won by Party 1 does not mean that Party 1 has won half of the seats because the total is not 100. Thus, it is convenient to analyze the data after tabulating. In the table, we can say that Party 2 and Party 4 wins 25% of the total seats. In a pie chart, 25% means quarter of the whole circle. So, the correct answer should have exactly 2 quarter circles in its pie chart. Hence, option B is the right answer. Next, let us consider a quick solution. Here, in the given bar chart, there are exactly 2 bars of equal length. Consequently, in the corresponding pie chart, there should be exactly 2 equal portions. Only in option B, there are exactly 2 equal portions. Hence, option B is the right answer.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 PM on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 AM. Monday to Friday, 11 AM free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.